Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Roborock S7 Pro Ultra. Roborock brings its most advanced robot vacuum cleaner. The S7 series is renewed with the new Roborock S7 Pro Ultra, a robot with a charging base that, in addition to maintaining high power, offers fully automated vacuuming, scrubbing, washing, and emptying. These are the features of the Roborock S7 Pro Ultra, a robot that is among the most complete on the market, mainly for its ultrasonic scrubbing technology that scrubs the floor up to 3,000 times per minute, LiDAR mapping, and a power of 5,100 Pennsylvania. The complex name has its explanation. Roborock S7 Pro is the name of the robot vacuum cleaner, while the surname Ultra is when coupled with the charging base. We are dealing with a robot vacuum cleaner with the classic design of the brand. It offers a power of 5,100 PA and navigation with the PreciSense LiDAR system that automatically recognizes different plants and allows you to set restricted areas. From the Roborock app, we will be able to configure all kinds of details, from routines to adjusting the suction power. It is compatible with Alexa, Home, and Siri, and its renewed map system allow one to visualize the house in 3D. The S7 Pro not only scrubs but also mops. It has a sonic scrubbing system and automatic mop lifting, for example for carpets. But the most striking feature is its charging base. The emptying, washing, and filling base is automatically cleaned after each cleaning. In other words, the mop also cleans itself. The Roborock S7 Pro Ultra has an automatic refill function for the 200 ml water tank and can clean an area of up to 300 square meters. This is 50% more than the previous generation. With a 5,200 mAh battery, the S7 Pro Ultra has an autonomy of up to 3 hours of cleaning, which, if combined with the ability to empty the 400 ml tank in the charging base, gives us an automated autonomy of about 7 weeks. The new Roborock S7 Pro Ultra Robot Plus charging base will be available in white. From next July 7, 2022, it will be possible to buy it on Amazon for an official price of $1,399, there being a promotional offer that puts its price at $949. Here ends our video on Roborock S7 Pro Ultra. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.